This is part 1 of the hurricane at cousin's house. I'm sorry if you hear chewing, it's because I'm eating an Oreo right now. It might be expired, I don't care. But anyway, why does the man look like Astro from Dandy? Anyway, let's just get started. Have you seen my cousin Onyx? Oh, I certainly have not. She was in here like an hour ago. Yeah, I'll find her. Oh, okay. Well, she actually not. Oh, finally. I got my glow up. Now, I can actually, oh, hey guys. Feed tea. Whatever. Onyx. Oh yeah. You look a lot different. What? Oh, I'm going like home tomorrow. Oh god. Oh my god. Hey, we don't have much time. Just come here. Babe, what's that sound? Oh no, that can't be. Wait, we need to get Rosie. I need to go get Rosie and Lily. Rosalie. You're coming with us real quick. Okay, I got the sisters. I can't believe I had twins. Twice in a row. May I sit on the couch? Yes. You gotta sit on your lap. How could you? We will just stand right here. Hurricane certainly hitting this house right here. It wouldn't be this house, this place, 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 this, but it's only this place who's getting the hurricane. Good luck! Guys, come down. The power. One of the lights just went out. One of the other lights just went out. Oh wait, don't tell me the elevator is going upstairs now. No. Downstairs. The power just went out. I'm pretty sure it's upstairs too. Oh, can you help Rosie and Rosalie? Sure. I'll go. Actually, guys, since there's gonna be a hurricane, we gotta go to our house. Because Onyx has an upstairs we can go to. Okay. Anything to be safe. Yeah. Okay. There won't be any hurricane at our house. So y'all have to come over to our house. Actually, we have to stay here. Because there's barely... Actually, yeah. We gotta go get ready. We gotta go get stuff. But because we have enough time for that, like, yeah. Oh, and you guys could use... One of y'all you could use my clothes. Yeah, you could have used our clothes. I'll help babies because I didn't bring anything. I'll buy some, whatever, cause, yeah. I'll take that. I'll bring the computer. I feel like no, it doesn't fit. We're gonna bring this out. We're gonna bring these. I'm gonna bring my skin care, obviously. Yeah, I didn't really bring much. Wait, my iPad. Where's my iPad? Why is my iPad in here? Oh wait, that's their iPad. Where's my iPad? I'll go check downstairs. No way! Wait, we don't even have stuff. It's only Big Kissy who brings stuff. Oh! Oh wait, I can't even find her iPad. Actually, I don't even need my iPad. I think I could just... Hold on, I'll go run to the place real quick and get new iPad and just put in an Apple iPad. Just an iPad. But I'll have to get like another Apple Pen now. Oh wait, this is actually cute. Oh, this is also cute. So don't get interested in any more cute things. No, that I can't. Okay, guys, there should be a part 2 soon. It's because I'm freaking lazy to do more. But, yeah. See ya.